Hello and welcome to this short video about unmarried parents and maintenance for a child in Ireland and how to obtain a maintenance order. My name is Terry Gorry from Terry Gorry and Company Solicitors. I'm based in Enfield in County Meath. My contact details are at the end of this video. Both parents, whether they're married or not, so this applies equally to unmarried parents, have an obligation to support their children financially. Each parent can seek maintenance from the other parent for a child under the age of 18 or a child under the age of 23 who is in full-time education. How much maintenance? Well, outside of the court, it's up to yourselves, up to the parents themselves. There's no limit as to what you might agree on. However, if you go to court, the district court in particular, then the maximum is up to €150 per week per child. You can also seek a once-off lump sum payment for special occasions, for example back to school. Uniforms and buying school books and so on is pretty expensive. Special occasions like Christmas, so the limit there is up to €6,350, which is the current limit in the district court, the jurisdiction of the district court. However, in the current economic climate, quite frankly, it's unlikely that you're going to get that sort of money for back to school or for Christmas. How do you obtain a maintenance order? Well, you basically make an application to the district court. You do it by way of a maintenance summons, and it must be served on the other party. Where service is by post, and it must be registered post, it must be at least 21 days prior to the court date. Where service is in person, it must be served at least 14 days prior to the court date. The maintenance order then will specify the amount of maintenance to be paid, how often it must be paid, for example weekly, fortnightly, monthly, the date of the first payment, and to whom payments are to be made. For example, payments can be made to the district court office or directly to the other parent who is seeking the maintenance. Maintenance payments then made to the district court office means that there's a record kept of all payments received, and the district court office then can issue a summons to recover arrears on foot of a complaint from the parent who is not receiving the maintenance that they're supposed to receive. However, making maintenance payments from one party to the other is quicker. It doesn't have to go through the court office. Maintenance arrears then can be pursued through the district court. You can also seek an attachment of earnings order, which compels the maintenance creditor's employer to deduct maintenance from the wages or salary of the maintenance creditor. Maintenance orders then can be varied or changed by the court. Either party may apply. This would obviously happen if somebody, for example, lost their job or their financial circumstances changed. The parent who pays maintenance does not gain any new rights as a result of paying maintenance. It's simply a legal obligation, and if they want to bring an application themselves then for guardianship or for custody or anything else, they must bring a separate application, but paying maintenance doesn't entitle them to anything. My name, as I say, is Terry Gorry of Terry Gorry and Company Solicitors. We're based in Enfield in County Meath. My telephone numbers are on the screen there. You can contact me by email, either terry@businessandlegal.ie. There's a lot of information there on my website, businessandlegal.ie, about family law issues in Ireland, all sorts of family law stuff like custody, guardianship, unmarried families and so on. We're on the panel then for legal aid for family law matters in Dublin, Meath and Kildare. Thanks for watching.